Welcome to Measuring in Fusion 360 in real time with your portable ferro worm. Notice I'm tracking live to where I can go ahead, use the 3mm ball and probe the hole measure requirement. Select our hole, and these are going to be inside measuring. And we'll just select our holes now. Get this other diameter. There we go. We've now captured all that data, and those dimensions can be placed on those desired measurements right in Fusion for your drawing creation. Show it, and there we have all of our measured diameters within tolerance to the calibrated ferro worm. Thank you for taking the time to review how to measure holes in your part quickly and efficiently with your ferro worm.